First live stream on the channel. Let's go. Let's see how this works out. Let's see. I'm trying to get the link for this. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we got 5 people that pulled up already, man. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know who all in here. So a lot of people been messaging me, asking me about the current state of the market. So I figured we just do this live stream. We almost got all this set up. Hey, hit the like button, man. We got 4 people on here, man. Hit that like button. Let's get these likes up for the algorithm. We are now live on YouTube. Join in with any questions. So this one won't be too long. This is just basically a test run to test out everything to make sure everything working right. I try to get the screen a little bit so y'all can see it. You know what I'm saying? Try to get y'all one of them right there. Let me know. Can y'all see that clearly? Is y'all able to see the chart? Drop them questions, man. Y'all be in my messages with all the questions. Okay, it looks like we got this link about live. We got 5 people in here, man. Hit that like button. Let's get these likes up, man. We got to push the algorithm so we can grow the community. Okay, we got the post in the group. Let me know how the audio is. Because on a few of my videos, a couple people were saying they having a hard time hearing it. So I'm not sure what that's about. Let me know how's the audio for y'all. Y'all got to drop them questions, man. The messages ain't the only place you can ask the question. Sometimes it's hard to get back to everybody. I got four messages I still got to respond to after responding to about like 30 today. So I'll give y'all a few minutes to tap in. I think this stream only gonna run about maybe a couple minutes. Hey, we got 6 people in here, man. Hit that like button. Let's get these likes up. So for y'all that are new to the channel, my name is DeMarco. Salute to y'all, man. We just blew past 1,000 subscribers. I am doing a $1,000 giveaway, so y'all stay tuned for that. That'll be happening real soon. I'll be announcing the details to that on the video tomorrow. So be looking out for that video. Also, in the description section of these videos, of this video, the other videos, y'all can check for y'all that asks how to buy some of these new cryptos. I have the links to the apps that I'm using in the description section, so y'all can use those links, and you also receive with some of them free things for signing up. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty dope. Also, y'all know we got to shout out the book of the day. And we got 7 people in here, man. Y'all got to hit them likes, man, or I would not be doing no more live streams. Own Your Own Corporation by Rich Dad's Advisors. Shout out to Garrett Sutton. Y'all can check my book out. It's on Amazon right now. The link is in the description section. So let's talk a little bit about the market. So I'll just get into this. A lot of people been asking me, like, what do I think the bull run is over with? Is crypto done? You know what I'm saying? Should they take their money out? All these questions, and it's understandable because a lot of people are just getting into the market right now. So, they're having their first go around. But as you become a more experienced trader, you'll understand what's happening right now. And this is just something that's called shaking the weak hands loose. So the market makers, the institutions, the people with the most money at the top, what they're doing is running the price down by causing which you're hearing the word probably a lot, FUD, FUD, that's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So they're causing a lot of FUD in the market to basically scare people and get people to panic sell. Now, the reason why they want to do that is because they want to get your positions for, or your shares, your tokens, whatever your coins, they want them for cheaper. So imagine, let's just say, let's look at this chart right here, right? So we got Bitcoin on the day chart, 64,900 was the all-time high. We got an all-time low of 29,258. So we just did below that $30,000 dollar mark. Now, what happens is during this bull run, a lot of people who bought in at these high levels, like the people who bought in, around this area, they got trapped. They really weren't able to get out after, it dipped down right here. You see, it never went back up that high. So they got trapped. So once the market makers start selling off their positions, that caused all these other people to panic, sell off their positions. And then the rest of the market, with the herd mentality, they follow suit. And so what happens is they run the market all the way down so they can get back in at this lower price. Because think about it, if you bought in here, if everybody bought, if all the new people bought in at this level and they refused to sell, the price would have stayed up here. So what they have to do is scare the market, put out articles, things like that, get everybody to panic, and then the market runs down. And now, instead of when these big institutions or companies want to add to their position, now they don't have to buy it up here. They can buy it at this low point right here. And I'll show y'all in some other videos on how to see, determine support levels and when to buy in and things like that. But I just kind of wanted to go over that. But right now is a beautiful buying opportunity. It's a super discount. We haven't had a chance to get it this cheap since basically around February. And then it going all the way down to when it hit 30,000, 29,000. It hasn't been that cheap since the beginning of the year. So if you caught that dip, you basically got to reset, getting back in back at this time. And, of course, you got to know these prices, these cryptos, stocks, they're like rubber bands, so as the price, contracts, as the price pulls back and it's pulling back, dipping, pulling back, eventually it's going to, blast back off. It's just like a rubber band. You pull a rubber band back too far, it's going to go the opposite way. So, we really not worried about these dips. If you are experienced, you will really be adding to your position here on these dips. So this was a perfect buying opportunity here, perfect buying opportunity here, perfect buying opportunity here. And also the same thing right here. You notice this large green candle. This is why, because this was a perfect buying opportunity. So a lot of people stepped in right there. So there's just something to keep in mind. These are called the dips. When y'all hear me saying buy the dips, this is what I'm talking about. These areas here. So the people that are speculating, you're trading, day trading. So what you can do is basically buy the dip, sell it at a high point. Buy the dip, sell it at a high point. Now, you might not always catch the highest point, and you don't have to. This one thing too, you don't have to catch the highest point to make money. You can catch the candle. You could catch this candle right here, sell right here, and you just made money. You know what I'm saying? That's something that's what I try to teach y'all how to do. You don't have to sit in these trades all day, all week, to try to well, we're on the day chart right now. Let's shift over to the hour chart. Okay, so here on the hour chart, you would have caught this dip, you would have ate nicely. You could have caught here, or even once you've seen the trend reverse. So we see that we're on a downtrend here, downtrend. Once you see that trend reverse and the green, start to break, you could jump in here, ride it on the way up. That first red candle where you see it starts to change, you see we had all green right here. You could have caught that ride up. Once it starts to change, just jump out. It's that simple. It's really not even that hard. They try to make it sound so technical, which it's more to it than this. I use other indicators for confirmation, but for y'all that are new to it and just kind of want to you know, basically get a basic understanding. Hey, shout out to Enzo83, man. Hit that like button, man. I appreciate that. But for y'all that want to get a basic understanding, all you got to do is buy at these low points, ride it out for one candle. At the worst case scenario, let's say, now me, I like to trade on like the 1 minute, the 5 minute to 1 minute chart because I'm a day trader. So let's say you're trading on the let's just say on the 5 minute chart, right? Let's say you caught right here. Even if you would have caught right here, it don't even matter that this point is higher than all this right here. If you just caught at the bottom of this downtrend, remember, I try to teach y'all, it's called impulse. When the green candles run up, that's an impulse. When they pull back, that's the correction. If you can catch it right on that correction, right off the end of that, and jump in right here, you see you could have jumped in anywhere right here, rolled this wave up on the impulse again, and then you would have had a nice, if you would have thought that was this time to jump out, you would have caught a nice little run up. And then that next red candle, once you would have seen it tripping, you jump out, you secure profits. Y'all always hear me say take profit because you never know what, you know, the market can do. So always secure some profit. Look at all these different opportunities there were to make money. Right here, you could have caught here, 8 here, here. Each one of these candles, you know, even if we went to, you know, the 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, it don't matter. It's plenty of opportunities. You know, it's just a lower time frame, so you'll be in the trade a lot less longer. But you know, if you're doing like I normally trade options, so it works out better because you know I can maximize the trade by having a option contract. So for y'all that's interested in learning about that, check out you can email me to check out my stock market course. It's about trading options. It's super dope. One of my students made $20,000 in one day using what he learned in the course, and a lot of other students are profitable on it too. So make sure y'all tap in for that. But oh yeah, and the crypto course will be available June 15th. So you can pre-order it now. So if y'all interested in that, reach out to me via email. But look at all these opportunities, man. Every opportunity that you see, if you can just start to recognize this on the chart, correction. This one choppy right here. This is an ugly one. This one real ugly. But let's just say right here, right? Correction, this whole correction. Once we get and then you also knowing how to read candlesticks, it also helps you. But seeing that we got a hammer candle to hammer out a bottom right here, that gave us a signal that we're likely to the trend is likely to reverse. It doesn't mean it's a guarantee, it just means it's likely to. And what happened? We got one red candle after that, and then the trend began to reverse. So if you could have caught that and recognized that play, that's money right there. Easy all day. You just catch it's called the impulse on the way up, the correction on the way down. Impulse on the way up, correction on the way down. It's literally that simple. Let's look at another one. Let's look at somebody give me a recommendation of a stock or a crypto to look at, and we'll pull it up on a chart right here. I'll show y'all something real quick. Okay, Cindy Mulder said, I'd be interested in knowing your thoughts on Saturna at some stage. Okay, let's check it out right now. Saturna. Where is that listed at? Is it on CoinGecko? I haven't heard of that one yet. So we'll pull Saturna up right now live. Okay, so we got Saturna, ticker symbol SAT on CoinGecko. If y'all want to check that out, hey, make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all just pulling up on this. If you got a stock or a crypto you want me to check out, just drop it in the comment section. We'll check it out live right now. So Saturna, so okay, 2,705 people like it so far on CoinGecko. We're down. What's up? 6%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay, so this one is kind of new. So CoinGecko only has it on the chart since the 16th. I wonder, can we find an earlier chart for it? So let me look on Dex Guru. If you got a stock or a crypto you want me to check out, just drop it in the comment section. I got you. I got a million tabs up, no lie. I got 4 screens and all of them got tabs up across the whole board. But this is my first time actually using this screen to try to, get it on screen so y'all can see the chart as well. I was gonna do it to where I could have just streamed my computer screen with y'all in like a little box in the corner, but I really didn't like that too much. Okay, Moni Fam Life said your thoughts on Shiba being dead or not. I could just tell you off the bat. I don't believe Shiba is gonna be dead right now. I think Shiba has a lot of potential. Now there's a few things that we should be seeing to like, we want to see some of these, some more utility. We want to see that Amazon, is eventually accepting it, which I believe it can happen. If you're familiar with the leash and the bone that they're coming out with, those are more not stable, but there's a more limited supply. Because right now the problem, so I don't think they got that one on Saturna. Yeah, I don't think they got that on here. So the problem with She right now is a million zeros in it, so how could you, transact like that? It would be a headache trying to do transactions like that. But I think they definitely have a lot of potential, especially with them creating their own exchange and things like that. Once they get their own calculator and wallet eventually, I believe a lot of those problems will be solved. So we got to find a different chart with, Cindy, do you know any other chart that we could find Saturn on, or is that the only place that you seen it? I mean, we could look at it on here on CoinGecko. I just wanted to get a full look at when it came out. Sometimes CoinGecko doesn't have the full date. So I've just seen the community growing on Reddit, but don't know much about it at this stage. I think it's pretty fresh still. Okay. So we'll just take a look at this chart. I know this one is kind of hard to see. I like to show y'all the ones with the candles, but they don't have a good representation of the chart with candles. So we're gonna have to go with this line chart. Remember, always try to use candlesticks charts instead of line charts, because line charts just aren't as accurate. You just don't get as much information as you can get from the candlesticks. Really, if you want to learn how to become a better trader, start learning technical analysis and how to read candlesticks. That's going to turn you up. That's going to completely take you from feeling like you don't know what to do, like you know what you're doing, to the next level. Now you can, research all that. Y'all can learn that, on your own, but also I have a course available that teaches it. So just message me if y'all want that. The email's in the description. But right here we hit, it's looking, I'm gonna just say this because this is when the chart starts off, but sometimes the coin is older than what CoinGecko has it listed as. But it says it came out here on May 16th. So it's not even a week old yet. We had a little spike up, and then right immediately after that, after it was listed, people sold off. They took those profits. So there was like a little dump right there. Super correction. So the people who bought in out the gate, they were sick with it. Had another bip up, kept pulling back on this little downtrend. Then we broke above for a new support right here at the 0.0000006. I think it's 7 zeros and 1.6 level. So we moved up from the 7 zeros and 1.5 level to the 7 zeros 1.6. And now we were supported right there. Then we just caught another nice little run up. And now we're supported at 7 zeros and an 8. But what happened was the people who got in initially, that was finally when they got a chance to breathe. You got to think about it like this. Look, you got to really think of it like it's these are people. This is not just a chart. You know what I'm saying? These are people that are in a market. Think about how these people feel. So if you can see that these people bought right here, how do you think these people feel buying right here after the price, going like this? They sick with it right now. So what do you think these people, just human psychology, if you bought in something right here, right, as soon as you bought in, it just plummeted on you, dipped ridiculously, and it eventually came back up 2 days later to a point where it gave you about 1 second to be able to break even. You think most people, a rookie trader that just got into the game, that don't understand holding longer term, that was just expecting to make whatever amount over 30-40% overnight, they're gonna not hold right there. If they get a chance to break even, they're out of there, especially if they didn't already panic sell, which most likely all of them panic sold during this time. But the ones who didn't or bought in down here, they dumped it again. So soon as they got a chance, they didn't even let it break a new high. As soon as it hit that same resistance level, dumped it again and it dropped even further for a new low, and it continued to make new lows on a downtrend here, which it just bit back up to get a support at. It's looking like 7 zeros and 1 2, 7 zeros and a 2. It's looking like it wants to find support in this area. It's looking like, man, it lost a lot of value since it came out. Y'all got to remember this, that we just had a major correction in the market, due to Elon Musk's tweets. The China just put out a ban on like their financial institutions offering crypto services. So that was something that happened similar in 2017. China put out a similar ban, and that caused the market to run down. But I don't think we'll see it down as long as we did in 2017, because the times are just different. The access to crypto is different. The market is more knowledgeable about it. So, yeah, it ran it down. But right now, everybody who knows what they're doing, they're happy right now. I'm looking at this is beautiful to me. This is nothing but a buying opportunity. This is like being able to go into your favorite stores. This is like being able to walk into the best stores that you want to walk into and get everything 50, 60% off. You know what I'm saying? What other, where else could you do that at? So that's how you should be looking at it. Don't look at it as, everything's going down. There's a saying, Warren Buffett says, when the market is greedy, be fearful. And when the market is fearful, be greedy. Right now, the market is fearful. This is fear. So when you see it going down like that, those red candles, a red candle signifies fear or uncertainty. A green candle signifies confidence. So when you see those red candles, that means the market is fearful. They're scared. So when you see it running down like that, especially when it reaches all-time low levels, like around this area, if it's something that you believe in, if it's something that you want to hold long term, then I would add to my position. I would keep it all. But I would keep what I had and continue to add. Now, me as a trader, if it hit a new all-time high, I would remove out my principal investment. So the original amount of the money that I put into it, I would take that out and continue to let the rest of it, go. Because at that point, it's called the point of no concern. So, you're not really concerned whether it goes up or down, because, you secured your original bag out of it. So it's not like you're losing money. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, it's like, okay, oh, well, I didn't really lose nothing. That was their money. So that's how you want to look at that. But yeah, I'll be loading the boat at this point. If you were believing in this one, let's look at let's see what else we could see. So let's check out their website. So Moni Found Life said, I remember when I panicked, sold all my Doge a couple months ago to break even. Newbie mistake. Hey, super newbie mistake. I sold and I even panic sold my Doge. I would have had over 130K in Doge right now if I wouldn't have sold, but I panic sold at when the last little market dip, and it wasn't really so much of a, it was technically panic. I secured profit. I made over $2,000, but my idea was to take my profit, and let it run all the way down to the bottom, and then I was going to rebuy at the bottom. But it slipped my mind, it slipped past me, and it ended up, taking off again. So you have to really be active, you got to stay in tune, stay just right on top of everything, because you'll end up missing that run up, and now it's over with. You lost your position. So introducing Saturna. So missed the last moon. With Saturna, there's always another moon coming. Buy on Pancake Swap, Telegram. What is Saturna? So Saturna, did you know Saturn has 82 moons, giving it the most moons of any planet in our solar system. Buy and hold Saturna to enjoy its frictionless yields in a community-driven project. Join us as we launch from moon to moon. So you can read the right paper right there. They're saying it's rug free. Hey, also, y'all, let me know how the audio is on here, like how the sound, if it's lower, if it's like cool, if y'all can hear it. Because a lot of people in my regular YouTube videos are saying they have a hard time hearing the audio. But they're saying it's rug free with tokenomics designed to keep building the price floor and reflect transaction taxes. Back-to-back holders. The development wallet will continue to marketing efforts at design holder milestones. The development wallet will contribute to marketing efforts at designed holder milestones, ensuring Saturna keeps tracking for the next moon. Check the moon landings to see what's next. Okay, so you can see their chart. You can see their audit. So we're gonna check that chart out. I want to open that up in another tab. Okay, so they are bogged. Okay, that's pretty dope. Okay, so moon landings, Mima's launch. So Saturn launch influencer marketing campaign. Hey, the email is in the description section. Tethi 1000 holders submitted for audit, community contest, CG application, BSC C scan application, Hyperion 5000 holder. Oh, I like how they doing that. I like how they got it like a different name for each. So this is their roadmap. Like I tell y'all in my videos, the roadmap can make or break these different currencies. So sounds good this time, much louder, sounding good, way better now. Okay, appreciate that. Thank y'all for letting me know. Hey, if y'all new in here, man, make sure y'all hit that like button on the video. So Mima's launch. So I always tell y'all the roadmap can make or break these different cryptos. So you want to make sure that they're doing something that they have a solid mission, that people will want to adopt, whatever they're doing, and they're being disruptive. If they don't have something that's disrupting the market or innovative, a new innovative technology or something like that, then most likely they won't be around too long because there'll be somebody else that'll come do whatever they're doing, 10 times better, and it's a wrap. So let's check this roadmap out. So y'all know normally I like to see a date. I like to see like, if it said 2021 with Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, something like that. I like to usually see that because it gives us something more to hold them accountable to. Because right now it just says moon landings. I mean, it's just a roadmap, but it doesn't really say, the timeline. And in marketing, you want to have, with marketing goals, you want to have three things. They need to be specific, measurable, and realistic. So we can't really measure this because they don't give us a timeline to check on it. But let's just see it anyway. So Hyperion 5000 holders, trust wallet submission, second audit submission, TikTok marketing white paper, RIA 10,000 holders, NFT marketplace 10K giveaway, exchange listing already paid for it, huge partnerships to be announced very soon, Dione 25,000 holders, merch stores, second exchange partners, white paper reveal, NFT marketplace teas, Medium and Twitter, Titan 50,000 holders, website version 2, third audit, additional partners and team members, NFT drop teaser, NFT marketplace teaser, Project Luna meme art / emoji contest. So that's at 50K holders. I wonder how many holders they got right now. So original supply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they had originally 1 quadrillion tokens. Normally I see these new cryptos in between like 1 trillion to 100 quadrillion tokens. Hey, y'all hit that like button if y'all just pulled up on this, man. Drop if you got a request you want me to take a look at, drop it in the comment section. I got you. Okay, Enzo 83 said, how you feel about Kishu? We're gonna get into that one right next, bro. Because I definitely like Kishu. So 30% of the original supply was burned, 10% tax on transactions, 5% distributed to holders, 5% added to liquidity, profit from holding. We reward holders with a 5% transaction tax, which puts Saturn directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sells. So team and partners. Okay, so travel ad, marketing and social outreach, social media influencer, verified Twitch partner with 81,000 followers. Okay, High Res is a Billboard charting artist with extensive discography with a thoughtful and positive brand. High Res has a number of connections. Okay, Kevin Kwong, art design featuring clients like Facebook, Adobe. It's a talented illustrator. Okay, so this is some of the team. So this is one thing that they get, a few points from me for. I like to see when the team is visible. A lot of these coins try to come out with an anonymous team, and I really don't be feeling that because they could just create this coin and the team is anonymous. You don't know who's behind it. You don't know their background. You don't know their experience. See what they have listed. We got their Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, and remember he's a Twitch streamer, so that with him that's okay. But we normally want to see LinkedIn pages, or Twitters and things like that. So like you see, they have only one of their team members has a LinkedIn, but Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, that's cool. At least we get something to connect with them. They can't ignore us if we have questions. We can reach out to them on 3 separate platforms. So this is the frequently asked questions. How do you buy it? So MetaMask, so Trust Wallet, Pancake Swap. So y'all know the deal with that. If you want to freeze or pause this, you could just pause this section and read it real quick. Okay, so the Telegram, they got the Twitter, Discord, and the Reddit. Now, another thing I like to see on just on the marketing side, all the social media badges should be above the first half of the page. It should be up here. You shouldn't have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to get to these, but we'll just check it out real quick. Let's see. We got the Twitter, and we can see the Reddit. Let me see. I'll check out the Discord too. Matter of fact, just because it's our first live stream, we'll pull out the Telegram too, man. We'll pull it out. Hey, we got 18 people in here, man. Smash that like button. Let's hit the thumbs up like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm, y'all. I appreciate it. So shout out to everybody from the private stock market game. For y'all that are on the channel that don't know, we have our own group. The group is crazy. We got 1,200 members in there. Hey, everybody in there is super supportive. You know, if you got a question, just drop it in there. They'll help you out. I'll help you out. You know what I'm saying? That group is free, so make sure y'all jump in there. But so let's take a look at the chart on this one. So this I like the chart a lot better on here, a lot better. So this is what I was trying to tell y'all with those. So you see this? Yeah, y'all can see it. Y'all should be able to see this. So this green right here, look, y'all, I'm really putting y'all up on something right here. Y'all don't gotta I mean, of course, you always want to learn more and add to your knowledge base, but this is it. You buy it when it's down here, you sell it up here. Buy it. Well, right here, this is a downtrend, so that's something else too. But it's something with not with crypto, even though they're starting to be able to do options contracts on crypto. But what you can do is, if this was a regular stock, you can open up a put or you can short it. So you can do a put contract right here. So let's say you make money on the way up, you know that it's about to fall down. Throw a put. You throw a put. You ride it on the way down. Now you throw a call option back in there. You jump back in, make money on the way up. You see it failing, jump out, secure your profit, throw a put on the way down. That simple. It's really that simple. I mean, it's, of course, you want to learn more about how I can read these candles. I know what these candles mean, but it's really that simple, y'all. Like, for real. Like, and I'm oversimplifying it just to, you know, let y'all know that, you know, everybody could be doing this for real. So right now they got a market cap of 15 million. You know, that's very low. Anything under $1 billion in crypto is pretty much cheap. If the crypto is not at $1 billion yet, you pretty much get it for the plug. You know what I'm saying? So we can see that they got a market cap of 15 million, liquidity 2.8 million, almost $500,000 in trading volume in the last 24 hours. They got a 12% increase in the last 24 hours. So that was pretty dope. So if you would have caught that dip, you would have been up 12% already. But this one, I didn't really see too much of the mission. Let's go back. I might have skipped over that. Okay, so 5% distributed to the holders, 5% to the liquidity. We reward holders with the 5% transaction tax. I don't really see any charitable. I don't see any charitable mentions. And remember, right now, that's a big thing. Look at any of the major cryptos. Tell me one of them, one successful one that doesn't have some type of charitable, you know, mission attached to it, or like, you know, saying the good they're gonna do. You have, it's called corporate social responsibility in marketing. You got to be able to, you know, just provide positive things or influence or give back to the communities you're a part of. Yeah, I don't see any mention about that. So I would update that part. Saturna team. So let's see. Let's check out the partners. Okay, no, that's just the regular ones. I wonder if these are even these just might be hired, you know, partners. This might not even be the dev team. I wonder, are they a part of the actual development team? So that has me curious about that. But at least they got somebody up there we could at least direct some questions to. So let's check out the Telegram. So the Telegram is 15,000 members. That's kind of crazy. Matter of fact, when did they start? May 7th. So they are approximately 2 weeks old. The Telegram is already at, what was that, like 17,000 members? That was kind of crazy. I'm surprised I haven't heard of this one though. Okay. It's showing me a different one, unless they lost some members. So it's now saying they only got 15,000, but let's check it out. Okay, so I'm just scrolling through the Telegram right now. A couple people posting about the market cap, the circulation supply. This team of September are doing an awesome job. I've got to say they're a great team. That's some good signs to see. So we want to keep looking through, just reading what they got to say in there. I got Saturna and Peacock coin. It keeps popping up. So we can shield together. We must make the Saturnots follow each other on Twitter. Trending #1 on Reddit, CMS. So I believe that's Coin Moonshots on Reddit. That's one of the pages I like to use to find new low cap coins before they blow up. So team, we are planning on a coordinated shield in this Discord this evening. Would be great to get the Telegram members that aren't in the Discord to rally with us too and get some positive Saturna vibes back out into the crypto sphere. So it's dope that they got, a strong community willing to, get out there and do some groundwork, because remember I said that the community can also make or break these cryptos too, and can also do a lot of the heavy lifting and save a lot of money for the team. So let's see. Let's check out the Twitter real quick, and then we'll look at the Reddit real fast and go to the next one. Kishu. Moni Fam Life said anybody can make a coin, have to really check them out. Hey, 100% true. Anybody, for y'all that don't know, anybody can make a coin. It is not hard. You just pay for the contract. You basically put the rules in of what you want the contract to do. Well, the contract will already have the rules of what it could do. You pick your option of how you want it to go, name it, tweak a couple settings, and you got a crypto. So Saturna token missed the last moon. We read that. So they have 8,711 followers. They're following only 8 people. Let's see. All 10 winners of our 150 billion Saturna tokens giveaway have been contacted through Twitter DMs. Please check if you have been one of the winners. Prizes are being sent as we speak. Okay, so I like that they doing coin drops to, the community. Hey, make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, and also follow me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled. I will be doing a giveaway for my crypto course. So you can order that now. You can just buy it if you want to, but I'll be doing a giveaway for it. All you have to do is be following me on both of those channels. You have to comment your social media in the comment section of the video, and make sure you got notifications on. And be looking out for the video tomorrow. I'll be doing an announcement for my $1,000 giveaway. I'll be doing a $1,000 giveaway. We reached our subscriber goal, and we do not cap over here. $1,000 giveaway will be coming soon, so make sure y'all stick tuned for that. So 1 hour left for our 150 billion giveaway to finish. Okay. Hey, make sure y'all get those likes up, man. Okay, so I like the fact that they're a little active on Twitter. I see they could be doing a lot more though. They could be posting a lot of other things. I got a crypto marketing strategy that nobody's using yet. A few companies have actually reached out to me to promote their token or their cryptocurrencies. And to be honest, y'all, I just want y'all to know out the gate, I will eventually have sponsorships, but please know if I ever promote any coin token, I'm gonna keep it all the way 1,000 with y'all. all the way. I'm not doing no capping for nobody coin. I don't care if they pay me. They're gonna be paid. Well, they gotta pay, but they're gonna be paying me to tell y'all my, what I truly believe on it. So if I don't believe in it, if I say this one looks highly risky, you know what I'm saying? Do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what time it is. But we ain't doing no pump and dumps, none of that. Because your reputation is pretty much everything. You know what I'm saying? It takes years and a lot to build it up, and one jank mishap to knock it all down. So we want to be careful of that. But let's check out this Reddit real quick. Okay, so it's crucial we win this week's SSB poll. Daily discussion. The developers speak on Telegram. Okay, so they're active on the Reddit community is pretty active. I like that. So it shows that something is about to potentially could happen with this. I'll say 7,000 Saturnauts, 134 online right now. So that's what I'm really looking for when I come through here. I want to see memes. I want to see the signs of a strong community, or what we call social capital or social currency, which is just what we're looking at. Content being put out, the members of the community being engaged, because that just shows, will they continue to believe in it? Will they tell a friend about it? Will they be in it long enough to make gains and share those gains with other people, the screenshots and stuff like that. So waiting patiently for BNB to go back up to increase my bags. Patience, son. You don't get high the same day you plant the seed. Okay. So yeah, I like it so far. This one, it's looking like it got some potential. The market cap is only at 15 million. This is what I like to do right here. When we're looking at market cap, I like to see that the market cap is basically, it has room to grow. Hey, shout out to everybody that just pulled up on us. Shout out to Junibug. Shout out to Shmerny Media. Appreciate y'all pulling up. Hey, make sure y'all smash that like button for me, man. Let's help the channel grow by pleasing the YouTube algorithm, man, because the algorithm will fool with it. If y'all don't know about the algorithm. But the market cap is at 15 million. So let's just say it does what? Let's look at Safe Mars. I wonder if they got that one on here. I'm just trying to find a similar one that might be a similar themed token that could possibly be at a similar market cap, or once was at a similar market cap. Oh, they want the token address. Okay. 1 second. Let me see. Okay, so we got Safe Mars right here. Got the contract. So the Safe Mars market cap is at 130 million right now. So we could say if Saturna could reach the same market cap as Safe Mars, we could almost say that's like what, 13x, or almost a 10x, about like an 8x, just rounding it. Okay, so the market cap on this one is at 127,000, and this one was at, I think that was just 15,000. So I would at least say this one could potentially 5x. If the community gets behind it, and they they riding for it, it could potentially 5x. But remember, it's more to it than that, also. But if you were to get in it, it would be a good time right now while it's this cheap, because you got an opportunity to buy in cheaper than, the people who bought in on the first day practically were able to get in at. Okay, so let's check out Kishu. We had a request on that one. Shout out to Moni Fam Life for requesting that. Okay, so PAPP. I only heard of this one like one time, but I'll be honest, I haven't looked this one up at all. But Kishu, this one is, definitely one of my favorites. I like this one right now. I feel it has a lot of potential. The community is stupid strong behind it. The marketing team is crazy. They getting billboards out. They got like a 200 taxi marketing plan planned. I think it's actually today I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Okay, so we got Kishu up here now on the charts. I just like to come to the candlestick chart so y'all can take a look at it. So what was the question on that? Was it just what do I think about it? Okay, so we got Kishu, Pap, and then I'll look into Cardano. Okay. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all just pulled up on this, man. It helps out with the algorithm. It helps push the channel and grow the channel a lot faster. I appreciate it. So Kishu, right now, man, this is a buying opportunity, Everything is on sale right now. It's really easy right now. Right now, it's cheating. It's not even hard. A person could just easily tell you to buy right now, and it wouldn't even be hard. In 2-3 months, you're gonna be up. You know what I'm saying? So it really just buy the dip. That's all you got to do. We got, this is looking very bullish. Like it's still looking bullish to me. We just hit kind of a little bit under the last support levels, but yeah, it's under this support level right here, just slightly. But you got to remember though, we just had a lot happen to us. We just had Elon basically attack the market, not really attack it. He didn't literally attack it, but that's how the market is taking it. Really, y'all that are familiar with Elon, if y'all trade Tesla, that's what I normally do. I trade Tesla options pretty much daily. And we're already familiar on the Tesla side. We know how Elon, how he is. He'll tweet something and cause his own stock price to go down. He doesn't care about the short term. He's looking at the people that's in this for the long term. And, you got to keep that in mind too, that if you want to truly see something great through investing, yeah, you could probably, that's why it's important to set your goals. Have it's called planning your trade and trading your plan. Have an entry and an exit already planned out before you even enter the trade. Because then if you end up taking profit at some point, you can at least be proud with knowing you stuck to your plan. And then let's say you took profit and it runs up another 60% after you take profit. At least you won't be upset at yourself because, you might be a little salty, but you'll say, at least I stuck to my plan. Hey, shout out to Enzo83, man. Y'all hit that like button, man. I appreciate that, man. Hey, pretty soon I'm gonna need some moderators in here, man. So if y'all already know how the YouTube game go, the moderators definitely help out a lot. But basically, it's a chance to buy, y'all. It's a chance to buy. I'm keeping it real with y'all. Yes, you could wait and try to perfect the perfect buying opportunity at the prime opportunity. But if you believe in these coins or the stocks that you're in long term, let's say for at least if you don't believe in it to stay in it for at least 2 years, then you might as well probably want to stay clear, because we could see 60 to 80% dips with crypto right now, even further. I seen one that was down about 90% the other day that had just came out. And you know, these could sometimes stay in those dips for a while. You know, let's say the market got stuck right, you know, stuck right here at this point where everything's, you know, was down. And remember, y'all are seeing this in reverse too. Y'all are seeing this in reverse. So this is starting from this way is the beginning, and leading up to this way is where we are at now, because it's flipped backwards in the camera. So just keep that in mind. So right here, you know, we're doing, we're really building off of a support. Let me see. Let me throw a trend line on here. Look at this trend line. You know, it ain't pretty. You know, it'll make you nervous. Now, if I seen it drop below this trend line, I would start, you know, thinking like, okay, you know, what strategy are we gonna come with next? But then that's where you have what's called a stop loss in place. So a stop loss is very important because it can already trigger, you know, at a certain percentage, and you don't have to have one. Some softwares don't have them, but you know, you might have to do this manually, you know, yourself by watching. So let's just say, for instance, you tell yourself, I'm gonna enter this trade, but if it loses, you know, 10 or 15%, I'm gonna automatically cut where I'm at, and then, you know, wait for the bottom, and then I'll re-enter on the bottom. So that's a stop loss. Or, you know, a take profit. If it hits a certain profit percentage or a number that you have in mind, predetermined, you can automatically close your position out and scrape the profits off the top. So that's something to keep in mind too. But Kishu is definitely a buying opportunity. Let's check out the website, which we did this in a video. We just dropped a video on this one the other day, so I'll make this one quick. But so little mean big dream. Kishu Inu is a community-focused, decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for holders. Join the moon mission. What is Kishu? Community powered. Kishu is a fully decentralized and owned by its fun, vibrant community. We welcome and embrace diverse perspectives to build Kishu into the best community in crypto. Instant rewards for every transaction in Kishu's network, buying or selling. 2% of the transaction is distributed to existing holders. That means you earn Kishu just by holding it in your wallet. Secure and safe. Kishu has been audited by a third-party firm to give our holders confidence. So I always like that, you know, those Certex audits, and it's a few other companies that can do it too. But I believe Certex is like the main audit before they can get on like Binance or something like that, like the main exchanges. So this is how to buy it. Y'all already know how to buy it. It's a simpler way to buy it now. You can get it on Bitmark. All y'all got to do is watch my how to buy Kishu Inu video, and it's the same process now of how to buy or no, it might have been my Akita video. Check out my Akita or my Kishu Inu video, how to buy either one of those. It's the same product. It's the Shiba. I believe it's the Shiba Inu video. So let's see what the daily news is talking about. So normally, to check out the daily what's going on with it, you want to pull up the Twitter and the Instagram. I mean, the Twitter and the Reddit, my bad. Instagram, not the, most of these most cryptos don't even have an Instagram. So let's check it out real quick, see what we got. If you got a request of something you want me to get to and, you know, give you my opinion on it, drop it in the comment section real quick. Okay, so comprehensive Kishu buying guide. The Kishu on Pancake Swap is a scam. It is not our coin, and you will lose all of your money. So that got voted up 38 times. It's not that many compared to the other upvotes. Upvote if you hodl Kishu Inu and comment the amount. Congratulations, Kishu. 130,000 holders, 31 days, and a $1 billion market cap. Remember, that's what I was trying to tell you. A lot of these coins that start off small, if they're really legit and they got solid missions, they got, you know, innovation involved in them, charitable missions and things, they're really making a difference, and they're under $1 billion, that's generally cheap for a crypto. You can expect some of these you know, these meme tokens to at least hit $1 billion market cap. So when I see something that's like, you know, set 15 billion or I mean 10 million, something like that, something crazy like that, 20 million, and the community is solid, the team looks solid, the mission looks solid, you know, the tokenomics is solid, you know, it might get my attention. Okay, so let's see. Kishu is recovering very rapidly. The community we have is amazing and growing so rapidly. We are outpacing every single meme coin by leaps and bounds. Happy 33 days. So still fairly new. But right now, yesterday, during that dip would have been a beautiful time to get in because, a lot of these coins are going to run again. They will run. And a lot of people going to be, sitting on the sidelines like, dang, we missed out on that one. I know y'all just seen what happened with Shiba. Know y'all seen what happened with Safe Moon. All these coins really ran, from the people that got in early. So WhatsApp stickers already circulating. Okay, that's what's up. I like the fact that they're getting stickers going. How I sleep during the dip, holding my Kishu, growing exponentially 2%. Hey, they changed the game with these tokenomics. I'm not gonna lie. I love these tokenomics that they're rolling with now. Hey, shout out to Tommy Woe 66 or to my Woe 66. He said, have you heard of Happy? I think, are you talking about Happy Coin? Is it called Happy Coin? If it's called Happy Coin, I've heard of that. Somebody actually requested me to do that. I got it on my list, but I'm not sure what Happy is. If that's the same thing, then yes, I have, but I haven't looked it up yet. But yeah, this is something you want to see. You want to see funny memes. Memes are the new currency. These NFTs and things like that. Memes really have social currency to them. That brings awareness, hype, and in social media, clout is a real thing. You know what I'm saying? So the coins with the most clout and communities behind them, that helps. Somebody said, am I the only one coming after the Kishu license plate on my Lambo when we moon? I love the new logo. It has so much branding potential. I had to put a hat on so I can take my hat off. The art is well done. Hey, that was funny. Kishu Inu wisdom. People who work together will win. Woof woof. Kishu stickers. Okay, so that's that. For that, we could check out the Reddit. They got an active community in there. I like that. 60K followers on Twitter. That's nice. Almost half of what they have holding of half the people that have bought in. So that's a real good sign. Had to do my part in the Apple Store. So somebody basically, I guess, changed all of them to Kishu screensavers. We have officially redesigned our logo to match our branding. Yeah, I like this logo a lot better, to be honest. Yeah, that look a lot better. We are aware that Vitalik Buterin has made a move on Kishu as well. Unlike Sheeb, we did not send 50% of our tokens to VB. Kishu did not send 50% of tokens to VB. We sent him 50% of the liquidity tokens. This means that VB right now owns only 0.2% of Kishu. In the case he proceeds to donate this 0.2 to a charity, we are prepared to match his donation and collaborate with him in that regard. We would prefer a doggy related charity, but let's see what is his choice, and we will follow his call. So, like I told y'all, a lot of people are Vitalik Buterin is the creator of Ethereum, the world's youngest billionaire. So he created basically one of the hottest cryptocurrencies out right now that all the other cryptocurrencies are running off of. And what a lot of these newer currencies do is they send their token to his wallet. They basically call it burning. They burn their token to his wallet to basically generate hype around it and get people interested and wanting to know more about the coin. And they also use it as a marketing, like basically gimmick. So and now they're using it even better. They're saying, well, if he does end up, because what he ended up doing, they donated Shibu Inu developers donated like 50% of the tokens to his wallet, and what he ended up doing was donated. They called them burn tokens. They assumed he would never use them. They just did it for publicity. But he actually ended up, once the price shot up, he ended up sending $1 billion worth of those tokens to the Indian Relief Foundation, and that kind of shook the market up a bit, ran the price down. But then I made a video on that, and I said I actually thought it would be a good thing. I think a lot of other cryptocurrencies would follow suit. And here we're already seeing that in a way, but they leveled it up when they said not only will he's not a whale, or he can't tank us, but we'll match him if he decides to donate that. So that was a smart way to go about that. We listed a new token, Kishu. Okay. Yeah, that other logo, this one, this one's a lot better. I will say this one look more like the actual dog, but you got to remember this the meme. We in the meme phase right now and everything. That one just looks a lot more friendly, more it draws you in more. Okay, let's check out the Instagram real quick, then we'll move to the next one. PAP. PAP. Hey, shout out to everybody that just got in here. Hit that like button. Okay. So this is the same thing we seen. They weren't too active on the Instagram. Really, that's all they really got on there. But I definitely think they got potential long term. This is one that I definitely will be holding for a little while. You know, don't get me wrong. I would definitely take some profits on it. I will always take profits. I won't sell everything, but because I just learned a valuable lesson with Doge. But what you could do is always take out your principal investment and leave the remaining amount, and that way you're at the point of no concern. You don't really care what happens anymore after that point. So now let's check out PAP. Where can I find this one at? Let's see. Okay, CoinGecko. PAP Mobile. That sounds like a phone company. Okay, so on 2,000 people's favorites are liked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's look at the max chart. Let's copy the contract address. Let's take that over to finance, Bog Finance. Okay, so they do got it here. Let's see. Will they show us something on the chart? So they're showing the market cap is only at 3.2 million right now. If this one pop, this is early. They're saying it's up 34% in the last 24 hours. So this one kind of, bounced back nicely off that runoff from yesterday. If it's up 33%, that's nice. So let's see when this one dropped originally. Okay, so this one came out around April 15th. So this one was out for a little while. It had a spike over here around May 10th, May 11th, and then it started to run down. So anybody who got in at these highs, anybody bought in around this area, they drowned in. They still drowned in. So they panic sold. They all panic sold. Most likely, if those are all beginner traders. But like, man, it was a reset. It's a reset right now. All these coins are on discount right now. You can get everything for the low. Everything for the low. So let's see. Right now, I mean, everything is at a buying opportunity. I mean, so y'all gonna be hearing me say it's a lot. If it's a coin that you believe in, remember, I'm only doing a quick scan over it, looking at the website. I like to give the coin sometimes, at least a day or two to watch the price action on the chart to see, what's moving. But that's why it's good to get in early, because when you get in up here, you have that day or two or even three to watch it and see what it does, and then you see it moving here, then you can know, okay, I want to be in this one. Or you can add in right here on this pullback, and then you catch that major run up before it does one of these, because that's really what you want to catch. You want to catch all these plays. You can still eat off all the other ones too, but the best play would have been to get in right here and catch this one, because it would have been the shortest time you had to be in it, and you would have got it at the cheapest price and made the most gains. So let's take a look at the website. So I like they got the Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Discord. Okay, so they active. So Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. Okay, so let's take a look at the Reddit real quick. So they got 916 members inside of the Reddit. So they're asking, do you use version 1 or version 2 on PancakeSwap? PAP not showing up. Value on Trust Wallet. Why is PAP only available on version 1? When on CoinMarketCap? How to buy? I just found out about it. Want to invest 2,000 into it, but don't know how to buy it. Hello question. Anyone else having issues buying it using PancakeSwap? One picture 250, like it looks like about million or trillion, I don't know. Tokens worth 400. Second picture 2700. Okay, so he must have just the price ran up. Where can I see token price? Future token, PAP Mobile. Oh, I started newly on PAP Mobile. I believe the project will come in places in the future. Okay. So they got a little community here. It ain't big, it ain't much at all, but they got people. People are aware. So PAP's bravest goal to offer an alternative payment tool to all mobile application developers and users of the world. Okay. Let's look at the website. Okay. PAP Mobile is a BP20 token issued on the Binance Smart Chain with a fixed supply of 1 trillion tokens in total. PAP's bravest goal to offer an alternative payment tool to all mobile application developers and users of the world. Buy it on PancakeSwap. So the PAP Mobile in progress, coin market cap listing, mobile application integration, API development, 100x in 20 days with PAP always higher. Our journey has just begun. Join us. What did we do in 20 days? Website update, promotional video on 20 biggest YouTube channels, more than 8,000 investors in 20 days. B-scan update, Trust Wallet, CoinGecko, coin market cap listing application, meeting with more than 5 exchanges, Solidity finance audit. Okay, I like that they had that audit that's completed, right? Okay, so I like that they at least got audited because I'm gonna be honest, this one seemed something about this one seemed a little funny. I mean, I don't know what it is. It could be like the design or something. It looks, like they got everything so far, but maybe the name. I don't know. I don't know. And then remember, the name is very important in these times too. I don't see that meme, that meme correlation. So token / project use. Hopefully they knock it out the park with this. PAP's bravest goal to offer alternative payment tool. How to use PAP. You must choose PAP as the payment method on the contracted application's website. It was designed to be easy. You can review the white paper for visual expression. Visit the app's website, choose PAP as a payment option, check the screen that opens and complete your payment with PAP. When the transaction is successful, When a transaction is successful, you will be given a unique code. Do not lose this code. Okay, so just basic instructions. Got a video on if y'all want to check that out. The website is papmobile.com. So the core values development to provide an alternative payment method to mobile application developers and users. So that's their whole mission, core value, community, funded by the community and for the community. We take pride in our collective mission. We support each other and other communities, and we have fun doing it. Clarity, we share transparent information with each other and the community. We organize cohesive and all push in the same direction. Okay. Let's see. Let me check the comments real quick. I have 20K. What would you buy if you had to spend it today, bro? If I had to spend it today, I mean, I wouldn't try to spend it today, but I would definitely diversify. I would split it up into the most favorable ones that that I believed in the most, the ones that I like the most. I would split that up. And I wouldn't invest 20K all in one day either. I would do it. You want to break that up so you can buy the dips multiple times. Let's say you drop 20K on something and it dips again tomorrow. I like to have at least enough buying power to buy the dip at least 3 times. So if it dips, I want to be able to buy that dip. If it dips again, I want to be able to buy that dip. And if it dips one more time, I want to at least have enough free cash to buy that dip. So you want to keep that in mind. So tokenomics, we remove the commission so everyone can trade freely. Slippage 0.5%. 100% supply on PancakeSwap. 100% liquidity is locked for 6 months. Token figures, token supply, 1 trillion, 100% supply, no pre-sale, no team token. Okay, token extract, no. Okay. So roadmap, I like that they got the Q1, Q2, so we can hold them accountable to this. It's measurable. Hey, everybody that's new in here, make sure y'all hit that like button. Hey, shout out to my boy that was keeping up with the likes for me. I appreciate that. Brandon Archer said, "Have you heard about Obinu?" No, I haven't heard about that one. I might have to check that one out. When did that one drop, Brandon? Let me know when the Obinu dropped. Has anyone heard of Shiba Kin? I actually have heard of Shiba Kin Azul V. When did that one drop? I think I heard of that one like a couple days ago, if I'm not mistaken. But it's been so many Shiba imitations coming out, you know, it's hard to keep up with them right now. But shout out to y'all for pulling up, man. Let's get through this next one. I want to check out this next one too. If you got a request of one you want me to check before we get up out of here, drop it in the comment section. So sustainable operations management Q1 status is mirrored in one of PAP's core values. Building on this pillar, the leadership team will be executing our long-term vision through the strength of the team and our community. So Q1 overview, launch of our website and social media channels, creation of an overarching marketing strategy, multiple partnerships with high profile personnel, forge establishment of our communities, Q1 status. Our teams are constantly expanding and everyone's participation is welcome. In order to ensure that our operations are sustainable, our overarching initiatives are being addressed in a pragmatic approach. For our Q1 goals, our website is constantly being updated by a team of dedicated and talented designers. Further details about rebranding activities will be communicated across our channels. All marketing and PR activities are now operating under a working organization vetted by our lead developer. Our team is constantly evolving to recruit dedicated marketers to help. They ain't emailed me yet, y'all. I'm just telling y'all that, to help us scale our initiatives for general affairs concerning the fate of PAP. The community is encouraged to engage with our point of contact through Telegram or Twitter. Our biggest efforts are currently being channeled to accomplish, I think they meant challenged to accomplish our first charitable donation. We want to complete our first application integration with the companies we've dealt with. So Q2 overview, launch of our official white paper, rebranding of website, social media channels, and all external assets, confirmation of CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, developing software for all mobile application developers to integrate PAP into their own applications. Okay. That can be something. Q2 status, the launch of our white paper provides a shared compass for the team and our community to follow the narrative. This is also our commitment to guide the PAP community in a more corporate approach. The following are some details of where we stand in our Q2 goals. 1, rebranding of all PAP assets is currently underway. 2, software development continues so that all mobile application developers can integrate PAP into their own applications. 3, advertising deals are made. Okay, so Q3, forging of corporate partnerships, integrating in more than 50 mobile applications, launch of novelty merchandise for the PAP community. Also Q4, integrating in more than 100 mobile applications, a global press release outlining confirmed launches in major exchanges. Okay, this one sounds like it sounds like they shake. I think they just need some rebranding. That's what I think it is. I think I'm not feeling this gold with it. And then the logo also, like the actual token, it's like, what is PAP? What does PAP even mean? But I like that they got the team. They definitely get some points for this. Y'all know I like when we can see the team is visible, standing in front, or just standing on what they created. So Fuat is the organizational director, head of community and brand, developer, website graphics and social media, head of marketing. So shout out to Ibrahim, Tunke, and Arif and Iray. So I believe these are partners that were brought onto the team. This doesn't appear to be the initial development team, which I just noticed that on the last token we just took a look at. The one Moni Fam Life wanted me to take a look at, I believe. Okay, so yeah, I think they just partnering up with people. So let's check out they got the chart. Where is their chart? Where's their chart? Okay. Okay, we already checked out the chart. We already checked out the Reddit. See the Twitter. 8,000 followers. Okay, that's something. That's definitely something to work with. 15,000 holders in 30 days. Okay. $5 million market cap. See, this one has been out for a little bit though. I wish it was a little bit newer than this and has some more holders by 30 days. I mean, which that's not bad at all. Don't get me wrong. They definitely doing their thing, but I just wish they had a little bit more. That's all. So I believe we just seen one that had like 100 and like 20,000 or 100,000 in 30 days. That's why I'll be trying to, let these companies know that, it's a Fortune 500 marketer available for them. So 100% liquidity is locked for 6 months. I like some of their social medias. I like this video they got made. They're trying. They definitely are trying. They need more direction though. They need a clear marketing direction. Clear. Because this is not clear for me. Like I get it, they're going to the moon or whatever, but it's not clear. It's still something they could be doing. But I like it though. I like it so far. It doesn't mean, I'm gonna jump right in it. I'll be keeping my eye on it, but it seems okay. Okay, let's see what else we got next. Shout out to everybody that's with us right now. We got 20 people in here. If you haven't hit that like button yet, make sure you do so for the YouTube algorithm. It's greatly appreciated. Remember, we got the book of the day, On Your Own Corporation. You can get that on Amazon. That's from Rich Dad's Advisors by Garrett Sutton. Also, my book is on Amazon right now. The link is in all the descriptions to the videos. So if you haven't checked out my book, make sure y'all check that out, man. I don't know what y'all waiting on. Let's see. I believe we had another one before that. Let's see. If I missed one you wanted me to get to, just let me know. Okay, yeah. Cardano is definitely a good one to have long term. Sabaka, I just did a video on them on the channel. Definitely. I definitely like Sabaka. Let me see. Let me check out this OB or OB Inu. Inu OB. Let's see. Okay, so this one is a Star Wars themed Doge. Okay, I get it. Obi-Wan Inu. So this one has that meme, you know what I'm saying? Just that meme flavor to it, where it's gonna make somebody say the name, laugh, they see the token behind it, it's shareable, it's relatable. So let's check out this Obinu coin moon sheet. Market cap 400,097. They just showing the potential. Woo! They showing the potential on this one. So deflationary distributive 1.6 million gains if this reaches Doge's market cap. Gains if this reaches this dog's MCAP. Oh, okay. So if it just simply gets to where Kishu Inu is, that's 2,000% gain. Yeah, this is one will be huge. Get in before the whales get in and become whales. Right now, the price is ridiculously low. Obi-Wan with the dog head. See, this is definitely one of those ones that, like I said, got that meme. Just that, if somebody post a picture of it, that's gonna go, semi-viral within some of these crypto communities. So let's see. I wanted to I want to pull it up on the chart. Okay, let's see. So they have 393 holders right now. Here's the contract address. Let's see if we can get this one. Okay, so the Shiba can like 20 days old. Yeah, we're gonna have to start like a stream or something for like daily of like the ones that just dropped that day or something. Yeah, I don't see they're not showing up on the chart. I don't know. Hmm. So a lot of these ones, I wish they have all the things together out the gate. I know that's a little hard though, when you first starting off, but that's a little, irritating to have to try to, figure all this out. Cause now, somebody might likely just skip right off of it to have to do all this instead of just having all the information together on one spot. OBE. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what just happened, bro. I don't know. I was just typing it in. That one ain't coming back. I just tried to type that one in like 3 times. I thought it was OBINU, OBINU, but I don't know. But let's see. CBT. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it's Inu OB on Twitter. Okay. All right, let me take a look at the website real quick, and we'll look at the chart on this one. Then we'll get up out of here. So, welcome to Obi-Wan. Inu is the main token of Star Wolf, an upcoming NFT trading card game. It is a community-focused, decentralized token with instant rewards to holders. So you can buy it now. Uniswap, BSC scan. It's looking like, or Ether scan. So it's community powered. OBE Inu is fully decentralized and owned by its Star Wolf community. Instant rewards for every transaction in OBE Inu's network. Buy or sell. 3% of the transaction is distributed to existing holders. That means as you earn OBE Inu, you earn it just by holding it in your wallet. So that's a common thing we're seeing with all the new cryptos, that redistribution, or some call it like farming. OBE Inu is the main token, the upcoming NFT trading card game Star Wolf. So it's the main token of that. It's secure and safe. Liquidity is locked on Unicrypt, and OBE Inu will be audited. That means zero risk to our investors from potential bad actors. So token details: Obi-Wan Inu. Now that's a coin we have all been waiting for a long time. A long time. Who's the more bullish, the bull or the bull who follows him? So that's the ticker symbol. Y'all can just freeze this. So the circulation supply is 100 million billion. trillion, 500 trillion. Okay. I kind of like their graphics for this one. You know, I kind of like where they're going with it. They could do it just a little bit better, but I like how where they're going with it. So Star Wolf trademark roadmap, OBE new token launch on Uniswap. That was Q2. So they get some points for actually having something measurable, an actual date that we can hold them accountable to. Let's see, website launch Q2 2021, 1,000 holders Q2 2021. So they still haven't reached this part yet, but it would be nice to get in on this one before they hit that point of 1,000 holders. CoinGecko and CMC listing, Star Wolf NFT trading card game launch, farming DApp release, 20,000 holders in partnership announcement, tier 1 exchange listing announcement. So they plan to do that. They plan to be listed on a main exchange by the end of the year. So that's pretty dope. Honestly, I just like this one. This one got all the meme, just that meme style to it. So they didn't have a charitable mission, that CSR, that corporate social responsibility that I like to see with a lot of these coins. So maybe that might be something they'll roll out later. If y'all know who the team of this one is, have them get in touch with me. You know, if y'all like this coin, I could possibly help them out. But let's check out the chart on this one. So they got we just checked that already. Okay, so we'll check out the chart on this one. Shout out to everybody that just pulled up on us, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all already haven't. Shout out to IWS. Hey, shout out to Driss B all the way from France. Hey, shout out to Koba Ladi. I don't know if you know who Koba Ladi is out there. But we'll take a look at Safe. I did a video on Sabaka and not Safe Bitcoin. I think Safe BTC, that's Safe Bitcoin. So I'll try to take a look at that one real quick too. Shout out to Azul V. He said, just seemed interesting to me. Don't know what to think of them myself. They seem to be more serious than just another meme coin. Just wanted someone else's opinion on Shabakan. Okay, I'll try to check that one out too real quick. So this one on the chart is at a low. Y'all know everything's basically a buying opportunity right now. This one came out May 3rd. So it's only been out about 17 days. It had a few spikes already. But it looks like this could definitely go higher. Definitely has some more potential. What's market cap at? So 393 holders. Okay, where's the contract address? So I wanted to check this one out. I want to see their market cap right now, which I'm pretty sure is low. Okay, so where could I have to go back to the website. OBE new. Let's see if they give us market cap here. No. Okay, so we got to go back to Bogged Finance, check it out on that chart, and they should give us the market cap. Okay, so yeah, they're not showing that one on there, but I don't know, that one, it looked like it would be something I would be interested in, to be honest. I like that it's already been around for a little while. You know, it's already showed some decent price action. We making higher lows on the chart now. It's already recovering nicely. Let's see what they said right here. More land / mama cards to be released this week. We will include 5 planets in total for phase 1 of Star Wolf. Which planet do you want to see next after Taduji, Alderaan, Dagoba, Jakku, other? Just let us know. So I like that the fact that they're including their community and what they're doing. So it looks like they're trying to actually build something. You know, they're actually creating, you know, a game. It's not, it don't look like they're just trying to, you know, do a pump and dump. But you want to be real careful though and monitor it closely. And remember, never risk something more than you're willing to lose. Let's just say this was a pump. Let's just say it was. You know, how much would you put in there, you know, knowing that it was a strong possibility that it could be? You know, you wouldn't over leverage yourself. You wouldn't put, you know, your life savings. You would probably put, you know, a small amount. So that's what I recommend you putting, something that you would not mind losing. Something like maybe $10. If you wouldn't mind losing $10, then just throw $10 in it. If you know, if your number is 100, then throw $100 in it, you know, whatever that number is for you. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. Okay, around 750 market cap. So yeah, they definitely got a lot of potential. A lot of potential still if it's only at 750. So yeah. But okay, so we can check out. Good work, Brandon. He said he dropped $50 on it. So we're gonna check out Shibakin and Sabaka real quick before we get up out of here. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all just got in here. What's the ticker or something on Shibakin? Do you got that already, that information? Okay, Shibakin Finance. So it's up 45% for the day, is saying. So if y'all would have caught that yesterday, that would have been a very nice play. So I don't think this has even been 1 week, or it's not even 2 weeks old yet. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's take the contract address. Let's open up the Twitter. And as well as the website. Let's go on Etherscan, see how many holders. Okay, so only 3,000 holders. So this is still pretty early on this one. People trading it right now, as we see, you know, 10 minutes ago, 37 million coins or 37 billion. So this one is it's looking like something. I like their website already. Shibakin Finance, a community first protocol procuring a bridge to the blockchain, enabling individuals to purchase cryptocurrency. When it begins, our first yield farm token will support local communities and citizens in need. Okay, sounds interesting. Buy it on Uniswap or 1inch Vision plus Culture. So community, Shibakin is a community first, entirely self-generated. We are individuals who have come together for a purpose and to realize impact for society. I like how they started off already like that. They got a good CSR, a nice, strong corporate social responsibility mission attached to the coin. That's a good sign that the community will have a strong standing with it, or just basically, you know, will believe in it and want to attach themselves to that mission. So giving back as a community-driven, decentralized finance DeFi organization. For y'all companies out there, my marketing company specializes in decentralized finance marketing. So make sure y'all tap in with me. The email's in the description section. Our core mandate includes the imperative to support communities in need. Our ESG strategies is holistic and an integral part of the organization's identity. Building partnerships. Our first financial product, Shibakin, is the first of many tokens we plan to offer. A significant portion of the profit from our yield farming protocol coming soon will go to support charitable partnerships in various sectors. Our focus is on building resilient communities and fostering energy, food, and water security. We accomplish our goals by carefully considering the requirements of responsible human settlement and doing our part to provide an economic foundation for it all. So that sounds dope so far. I hope they're not just talking, but that sounds dope. So sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4. What I like how I like the information they giving us. I like the website. I like the design. But y'all know I like to see a timeline, something that's measurable, specific, and realistic, something that we can specifically measure it. Like, right there. We can say quarter 1, they should have this done, or by this date, they should have this done. But we can't do that because they didn't give a specific date. So renounce contract ownership, 100% liquidity burn, token rebrand, CoinGecko plus CoinMarketCap application, tech rate security audit, 1,000 token holders. So they already passed that. 1,000 Telegram members. I'm pretty sure they passed that. $5 million market cap. Not sure if they are past that. Did we see that yet? Did we see that? Okay, Bog Finance. Let's see. Okay, they don't got them listed on there yet. Let's see. Okay, so they do got them here, so we can see the chart here. This is still a nice buying opportunity, man. Everything, all these charts pretty much look the same. All these charts pretty much look the same. I would like to see if y'all recommended some that were in this phase, some that were brand new. So that way we can look at the ones before they have that major run up and we can possibly catch a couple thousand percenters. That'd be nice. We posted that Rover Inu. The last few calls were about like 8 out of 10. So 8 out of 10 profitable on the last calls. But I'm really trying to find the moonshot, a real moonshot, instead of just scraping some profit. Okay, so Blockfolio 5,000, $25 million market cap. So they still haven't hit this range yet. I like how they're checking off some of the goals. They showing us what they have done, though. I like that part. Sprint 3, e-commerce storefront, brand ambassador partnerships, press/news feed strategy, marketing expansion, exchange listing, 10,000 token holders, 5,000 Telegram members, 50 million market cap, yield farm announcement, BSC bridge announcement, NFT showcase, real-time token tracker, 15,000 token holders, 75 million market cap. So right now they are at a $5 million market cap. They have not yet reached the 25 million mark. So we can say they will at least they plan to 5x, 10x. They planning to already over 10x. So still a lot of potential money to be made in this one. So I like this. What's this right here? So moon sheet revised May 16th. Gains per 100 if this dog reaches Doge market cap. Oh, okay. So a lot of coins just doing this. This basically this spreadsheet comparing, all the top, meme dogs with themselves and the market caps and showing the multiplier on how much you would make basically if you invested in them. This is a motivation or incentive to try to push people to want to jump in. So Sanshu, Hokkaido, Akita, Kishu, Shiba, Doge. Okay. We just dropped a video on Sanshu. We got the video on Hokkaido. We got the video on Akita. We got the video on Kishu. We got the video on Shiba Inu. And we got the video on Doge on the channel, man. This will be one of the hardest working channels of 2021. Mark my words. And one of the dopest communities. So start your investment. How to buy. So it's a ERC20 built on Ethereum. You can buy it on Uniswap 1inch. So y'all can pause this section right here if y'all want to grab that. Also, there's a contract address, QR code, use case. So token-based economics relies on consensus, small groups of people who agree on a medium of exchange and then trade goods and services on that medium. Digital, using the blockchain immutable characteristics, token economies can now be massive in scale and widely distributed, so large, in fact, token economies challenge central bank authority itself. Charitable, token economies are spontaneous. They spring up when central banks and governments fail in their responsibility to protect the currency. When people take back their own currency, central authority, the basic instinct is to help others. Community is the earliest form of social security. people looking out for people, to grow things, to protect one another, to live, to work, laugh, and share in life's abundance together. Productivity plus security. Communities built on the blockchain help one another accomplish these things by building digital trade networks as a digital form of energy. Just as ideas are traded through language, the blockchain represents humans exchanging energy. Okay. Shaping society. The Shiba token is founded upon a natural desire to organize, assist, and build. It will offer individuals and charities a model for economic development, one that leverages partnerships with other organizations in finance, construction, and energy and food production. So it sounds like this coin here, this token, they're trying to tackle a lot of good. I like that about them. Because that will help. As one is going to do a lot of good. Always good comes back to you for that, and then that just gives the community something to be attached to. It's like they're not just here just to try to rug pull and make money. So let's check out the everybody that's new here. Make sure y'all hit that like button and the subscribe button if you already haven't. Shout out to Sean for commenting on the video. So let's check this one out on Telegram real quick. Shiba Finance. Okay, so 1600 on Telegram. So yes, definitely remove the message so nobody takes it the wrong way. Huddle, let's go. Drop the pump in the wheel group. I'm in. Great time to spread our word. Chart looks like it's about to rip. So just a lot of people. It's always best to do your own research. Be paying attention to the team that responds in an active group like this, along with people that want to operate with a certain level of integrity. We might hit 3,500 holders in the next 12 hours. I've noticed an uptick rate in new holders coming in. Going to drop about another ETH in here in a bit. So the community on the Telegram definitely looks active. I can respect that. I like that. I like to see that. Make sure if y'all new in here, y'all hit that like button, man. Also, if you want to check out my book link is in the description section. If you want to learn about crypto on your own, you could just watch all these videos. Or if you would like help doing that, I have a course available. You can get that now. And also right now for the next week, my crypto course includes 30 days of free coaching. So if you get the course, you get 30 days of free coaching right along with it. And I guarantee you're gonna like it. So let's see what we got next. So they do got an Instagram page. So 310 followers right there. They could do more on that. I like they trying to get the memes popping off. They trying. I like the dog head that they're going with. They said Doge, Shiba Ken Lambos. So I like it so far. They just definitely need a full-time manager to ramp this up. But aside from that, it's looking decent. I'll definitely be checking that one out for sure. But what was another one y'all wanted me to check out? Let me see. Shout out to Pete Glasser. Hey, appreciate you for pulling up on me, man. Shout out to Rodrigo Baltazar. Shout out to D. He said, happy to see another black man creating content in this crypto space. Hey, man, salute to you, bro. I appreciate you pulling up on us. We need more of us in here. Azul V said there is one that popped up 2 days ago and seems to have seen tons of growth in just 2 days. Jindu Inu, if you want to check it out later, since you mentioned you were looking for brand new ones. So yeah, no, I'm gonna throw that on the list though. That one sounds very interesting. I might have to make a video on that one because I really like to get the videos of the Inus up. Any thoughts on Hokkaido Inu, Kumu Inu? I just did my thoughts on Kishu Inu. You could just probably even rewind the live stream after this is over, and you'll see that. Also, I haven't did Kumu Inu or Kuma Inu, but we running at 1 hour and 45 minutes. So I'm gonna write these ones down, and then Jindo Inu. So I'm gonna write these ones down and either add them to a video. I think I'll be doing another live stream tomorrow, so be looking out for that. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hey, on y'all way out, hit the like button for me, man. I appreciate y'all, especially if y'all could share this live stream into some of the groups that y'all are a part of. That would be super, super dope. Remember, I'm looking for some moderators for the channel, so y'all that show up to the live streams consistently and show y'all support, you know what I'm saying? We gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Might potentially have you as a moderator, but also, the course is available. If y'all want one of the courses, the stock market options trading course, that's available right now. My book is available on Amazon. The crypto course is available. Also, free stocks, crypto, almost $2,000 worth in the description if you get lucky enough. And I think that's all we got for this one, y'all. I'll be making more videos. We'll be back. Oh, and I got the $1,000 giveaway, $1,000 giveaway for us reaching our subscriber goal. I'll be doing a lot of giveaways on this channel. I'll be announcing the $1,000 giveaway details tomorrow. So make sure y'all are here with me for that tomorrow. And we out.